Today, we're diving into the top 3 budget wireless microphones for 2025. Perfect for car-based reviews, vlogs, or content on the move. We'll compare sound quality, ease of setup, and real-world usability so you can find which one fits you. Whether you're shooting inside a car, driving while filming, or just need clean voice audio on the go, stay tuned to see which system gives you the best bang for your budget. Don't forget to like and subscribe and press the bell icon. Number 3. The Lark M2 presents a compelling wireless mic system for creators who shoot on the go, whether it's inside your car, mobile filming, or camera work. With dual transmitters and multiple receiver options, including for iPhone, Android, PC, and cameras, it offers broad compatibility right out of the box. It captures audio in 48 kHz, 24-bit fidelity, giving you clean voice recordings that beat built-in mics. The claimed 300-meter, 984-fit range sounds great for run-and-gun situations, though real-world tests show more modest distances. One standout is the noise-canceling feature, helpful if you're dealing with ambient engine or road noise in a vehicle shoot. The transmitters are tiny, around 9 grams, and the charging case boosts convenience and workflow. On the flip side, it lacks onboard timecode or internal recording backup, so you're still reliant on your camera or recorder. Some users report the magnetic clip system can be finicky, and the large logo on each mic may be visible in shot. Also, although advertised range is generous, real-world transmission often drops off sooner when obstacles intervene. Especially when filming in a car or mobile scenario, the Lark M2 offers smart features and great value. If your setup demands ultra-long range or full studio-grade redundancy, you may look higher-end, but for budget-conscious creators who still want high-quality audio, this is a strong choice. Number 2. The DJI Mic 2 steps up for creators demanding serious audio without complex setups. With support for 32-bit float internal recording, you're far more protected from clipping or misgain than standard gear. The system also boasts intelligent noise canceling built into the transmitters, ideal when you're filming in a car with engine or road noise. The wireless range is claimed up to about 820 feet, 250-meter line of sight, which gives you flexibility for moving shots or a chase car scenario. In use, the kit delivers strong build quality, a sleek charging case that doubles as power bank and organizer, and a receiver with an OLED screen and gain dial for quick control. For mobile, mirrorless, or DSLR filming, or content on the go, it's plug-and-play via USB-C, Lightning, and 3.5mm, so hooking into your camera or phone is straightforward. There are trade-offs. Real-world battery life is around 6 hours per unit with more via the case, which, while decent, isn't class-leading. Also, dashed range claims appear in some tests. Walls, people, or obstacles still degrade signal beyond 125-150 fit in indoors complex scenarios. But overall, for content creators filming inside cars or in dynamic on-the-move settings who want clean, professional audio, the DJI Mic 2 packs an excellent feature set for the price. Number 1. The Rode Wireless Pro Compact. Wireless microphone system is a premium solution for creators who demand top-notch audio quality and reliability. Designed with professionals in mind, it offers 32-bit float onboard recording, ensuring distortion-free sound even in challenging environments. The inclusion of 2 lavalier microphones makes it ideal for interviews, car reviews, or dual-speaker setups, providing crisp and balanced audio. What sets this system apart is its advanced timecode feature, which allows seamless audio-video synchronization, a huge plus for filmmaking and multi-camera shoots. The smart charge case not only keeps your gear organized, but also automatically recharges the transmitters and receiver, offering convenience for creators on the go. With a strong wireless range, minimal latency, and intuitive setup through the Rode app, it's designed to make recording effortless. Whether you're filming product reviews, YouTube content, or cinematic projects, The Rode Wireless Pro delivers professional-grade clarity in a compact, travel-friendly package. Its build quality feels solid and premium, living up to Rhodes' reputation for durability and performance. Overall, this is one of the most advanced wireless mic systems of 2025, perfect for creators who want studio-level audio without the hassle of complex equipment.